Assalamu alaikum, what's going on? We are at the test day again at Yam Yams. Yesterday we was out here, we was repping and we took the trophy home. We were the champions.
Pac-Man in the nines. Where is he? Where is the Pac-Man? I owe this brother a pair of Big Saj Build boxer shorts.
He's needed, mate.
We need them. I promised him when Moto does a 9, he's getting some boxers.
Yeah.
He ain't changed his for an entire year. He needs some new ones.
Just to make sure I get his. Mine I got a few holes in it.
It's in the 9s. Moto's done some big upgrades. Wide, wide. Big boy, little boy, fast boy.
Small boy.
Fair play, Moto.
Respect, man.
John, I gotta kill you as well, but what the fuck, Moto?
Ready, you know.
You just put yourself on the hit list. God, say how you say, Moto. No, yada man, the other way.
Buga, you go.
Yeah. Damn, she low. Hey, Scotty. We're here on Scott's Day.
ITN.
ITN.
Tonight with ITN we have Mr. BMT.
BMT. What's ITN?
What's ITN?
Oh.
Fucking Jesus.
ITV, you mean?
No, ITN.
Oh.
It's old school it is.
We're sorry to say, but we're not that old. Yeah, when you had 3 channels on your black and white TV.
TV, man.
He's trying to handbrake too hard, man.
Here on the private test day. Go on, Moto. Come on, lad.
Perfect. It just come off, so I never had turtle foot.
We're from inside there.
From there, bro.
What I'm saying today is, we are with order. That's just for you, Saj. Anyway, let's go. Let's walk on.
BBC presenter.
Come on, G. So,
what's the news? What's the weather?
the weather is beautiful, beautiful. Headwind now. So, we got Miru's car out here today. He done his one pass already, 170 at 9.3, but he rolled through the line. His handbrake wasn't holding properly. So, inshallah, this run, we just want to do any 8s. So, that's the plan of action. Any 8s.
After 8s.
Yes. Yesterday, he didn't have such a good day. We found a trapped wire, you probably saw in the other vlog. But we fixed that and we had a bad boost solenoid. So we sorted that out now and we're going to see. We took the boost solenoid after all-wheel drive for it. So if it's not working now, then I don't know. Big shout out to Moto. He done a 9.9 today in his Pac-Man. Pella was out here today and he done a 10.7, his first ever 10. So you got to give props where props is due. Everybody's doing their times and doing their PBs. But the question is, we are out here, where are you lot? you lot behind the camera that, not you as in Saj, I'm on about you lot who are watching, stop your fucking criticising, okay? Stop taking the piss and get the fuck out here and be racing with us instead of talking shit.
Right here.
You get me? Right here. We want you right here, right next to us. All right. That's just for me personally, and if you got a problem, phone me.
0754687947281.
No, 2821. Okay then. We got Big Sabine in the house. Sabine, put your hand up. Nudge for job and nudge for
He's done, yeah.
I left mod, right? Middle. Quick, what you gotta say?
I'ma hold the handbrake.
He said he's gonna hold the handbrake. Did you hear that, guys?
He's gonna hold the handbrake.
Okay, he's gonna hold the handbrake. Alright, listen. Start up when I call you. Let's go and watch the MR2. Come. His temperature's going up. He drained all the water out to give it a bit of I think he was bleeding the system, so he must have a water airlock. So, check it out. So, he's running a K24 alley rod from Allen Build. Guess who supplied him the engine?
Miru?
Yeah. Mummy made cycles cross. Nudge for job. Hoka.
Horrid Murray.
Hoka.
That's a burnout.
Oh, he's driving that though.
That's Harvey Bogle.
Yeah.
9.8 already.
Can I have a shirt then? I'll be like you.
No.
Basically, Owen did a 9, and I think that's his PB in that car.
9.8.
So that's all he wanted was a 9. Well done to him.
Did you have a look at 3000?
That's a knuckly.
Exactly. Thank you very much. A lot of people did a piss.
Yeah, then people don't know what I'm on. I can't disrespect Honda. But your car's also a hairdresser car. Give a shout out to Big Marco, you know. He controls the RTGM group. Petros is blah. Real people, real people. Skid bar! Nudge Pajaba. That's the new wave, right? What happened to him?
The shifter come up. You know the pin that goes through the thingy?
Yeah.
Yeah, it pop off.
There we go.
9 old. Something's cutting.
Something the matter.
What's his speed? 9 what?
143.
Mr. Nines.
What, Mr. Jammin?
So he's done the 9s now. He's officially in the 9 second club. You get me?
True.
He's done his bits. He spent his money in the right department, and
Money happy spent.
money half he spent.
Somebody owes him a pair of boxes. Some Big Saj Build boxes.
I ain't even know gotcha. I got some old gotcha when I used to be big. They like curtains.
No, he's got big gotcha.
I got curtains. Alright, let's not forget the mechanic, aka Gio. Put your hand up. Put your hand up, man. You gotta. No, you gotta do like this. You gotta show and wave. Nudge for job. So obviously got part of the Easy Tech, Just Tech. They're all one group. This is these. So just to throw it out there. Moto, who you bought the shell off? That's why it's fast. Hey, listen, let me show you another thing. Gia! Let me go forward, Gia. Gia! Hey. Who was with me when I first done my 9s? Me. Him? But then he lost his tom-tom somewhere, we didn't know where he went after that. Now he's back into the 9 club.
Sweet.
Slim pig. But the funny thing is, we both started off fat, yeah. So I had the big man thing name. He had the fat name. But we're not changing our names. Fuck
Don't
that.
never.
Our muscles are still big.
What have we lost between us?
Quite a lot.
At least one person each.
About 50 grand, I think.
You're right on the money side of things. But Civic, give us a wave, please. Nuts Punjab. No, you got longer than that. Nuts Punjab and Nuts Punjab. That was dancing. Yo, give you a big shout out to my man.
Do you know what? We just looked at the log and it's that was on the lowest boost setting.
Yeah.
That was injectors 100% flat out.
Same like me.
Fuel pressure is 4th and 5th. Fuel pressure's going and dying. So for the lowest boost set, all right, I've dicked around with it all morning. Personal best on the lowest boost set.
But shall I tell you, it's not even all of that. It's the driving.
Oh yeah,
You drove it. You drove it.
It was skating around a little bit.
Can I say one thing though?
Go on.
Fuck you, Nate. Yo, as you know, we are at Yam Yam's test day today. This is the guy you need to get in touch with if you want to do these private test days. Plenty of times. We came at 1:30. 2 o'clock we started, and we've already done 3 runs, and it's only what, 3:30, 4 o'clock going, if that.
10 to 4.
10 to 4. So imagine if we didn't start racing, we could have got more and more. So shout Yam Yam up. Okay. You mentioned my name, you should charge you a bit more.
Where's he from though, Jamie?
Where's he from? Oh, he's a Yam Yam him. Where am ya? Dudley.
Dudley.
Next to mine. Birmingham.
Don't say that.
But yeah, as you know, we got NA still here rolling with us. Couldn't bring his car today. So, what we did. Kieran! Nuts Punjab, Nuts Punjab, Nuts Come here. Where you going? We miss you. By the way, Yam Yam used to be best friends with DMO, by the way. He's on that, you know, trading thing.
Oh, where's your Bugatti?
Yo!
Yeah.
This is our MK1 Kieran. You know his channel, and if you don't know, they better get to know. He's too slow, man. He's a bit tired. He's been in the sun today, innit? Yeah. So yeah, shout Kieran up. He makes all our videos and everything, and takes pictures now and again as well. And yeah, and if you don't know who his dad is, you definitely don't know who he is.
Cool.
Anyway, who's your dad, man? Introduce Pops, man.
My dad.
His dad.
His dad's his dad.
He's the guy who drives the fraudster. On that bomb channel, Yam Yam Day was amazing, and thank you to everyone that was here supporting us, and thanks for Scott having us here, lastminute.com. Peace.
How about Goofy? Can we thank Goofy?
Thanks Goofy with his big shades, with his meta glasses on, making everything. So
Goofy dude gives away.
I know. We're gonna do a different one with Goofy, right? Goofy, you got a wave? Dule ka sera samana lagta hai. Yam Yam. Wicked. We're in, we're out. Bye.